Exercise 1.1 in derivative. Four type example is, in four type example a table is given. In this table formulas for functional values and functional values for their derivatives is given. Here first example is r of x equal to f of g of x, and we want to find their functional value for derivative r dash of 2. To find this solution, first we have to consider r of x equal to f of g of x. Here r of x equal to f of g of x. Therefore, first we have to differentiate this formula with respect to x. Therefore, here derivative is r dash of x is notation for derivative r dash of x, and here derivative is using composite formula. First we have to differentiate f function. Derivative of f function is f dash of x, f dash of g of x. This is derivative of first function f, and again we have to differentiate g of x. That is, we have to write here d by dx of g of x, d by dx of g of x. Our composite function derivative is f dash of g of x, and again we have to differentiate g of x in composite function. For example, if we have to differentiate sin log x, then what we do here? First we take derivative of sin x, derivative of sin x, then we differentiate log x. That is, first we take derivative of sin x and then we differentiate log x. Like this, we have to differentiate this function. Here, first notation as it is, and derivative of g of x is g dash of x. Therefore, r dash of x equal to, we get this formula for r dash of x. Now, by using this formula, we have to calculate the value of r dash of 2. When we substitute x equal to 2 in this formula, we get value for r dash of 2. That is, we have to write here f dash of g of 2. We have to only replace x by 2 in this formula. Therefore, we get r dash of 2 equal to f dash of g of 2 and g dash of 2. G dash of 2. Here, value of g of 2 is, what is value of g of 2? Value of g of 2 is 6. Value of g of 2 is 6. Therefore, we write here as f dash of, value of g of 2 is, what is value of g of 2? Value of g of 2 is 6. Therefore, we write here as 6. And g dash of 2 as it is, since here g of 2 equal to 6 from table, or we write here as also from table, or given from table or given. Therefore, now in the next step is, we have to calculate f dash of 6. What is the value of f dash of 6? Value of f dash of 6 is minus 4 here from table, f dash of 6. And value of g of 2 is, value of g dash of 2. G dash of 2 is 4. Value of g dash of 2 is 4. Here we write from table, given or from table. Therefore, our value of r dash of 2, by using the multiplication, we get value of r dash of 2 is equal to minus 16. This is our first answer or solution of first example. Now, in fourth example, our second example is, if r of x equal to g of 3 plus f of x, we want to find here r dash of 4. In similar manner, we have to calculate here solution of second example. First, we have to write r of x as it is g of 3 plus f of x. Now, we want to calculate functional value of derivative of r of x. Therefore, first we have to differentiate r of x. We get r dash of x as, first we have to differentiate g, this function. The derivative of g is g dash. Therefore, g dash in bracket 3 plus f of x, and next we have to differentiate 3 plus f of x. 3 plus f of x. Now first term as it is g dash of 3 plus f of x. And what is derivative of 3? Derivative of 3 is 0 and derivative of f dash of x, f of x is f dash of x. Derivative of 3 is 0. Therefore there is no need to write this derivative, and derivative of f of x is f dash of x. Now this is formula for r dash of x. This is formula for r dash of x. Now we have to calculate value of r dash of 4. Therefore when x equal to 4, when we substitute x equal to 4, we get value of r dash of 4 as g dash of 3 plus f of 4 into f dash of 4 into f dash of 4. Now from table, what is value of f of, we have to calculate what is value of f of 4 and f dash of 4. Value of f of 4 is, in first column, value of f of 4 is 3. Therefore in square bracket we have to write here g dash of 3 plus value of f of 4 is 3. Square bracket close. And value of f dash of 4, we have to see this value in third column, fourth column. Value of f dash of 4, f dash of 4 is 5. Therefore we have to write here as into 5. Now 3 plus 3 is 6, we have to write here as g dash of 6 into 5 as it is. And what is value of g dash of 6? Value of g dash of 6 is, value of g dash of 6, that is last value, is 7. Therefore we have to write here 7 into 5. 7 into 5 is 35. Therefore this is second answer, r dash of 4 is 35. This is our second solution. Now in third example is, if s of x equal to f of 9 minus f of x, we want to find s dash of 4. In similar manner we have to calculate the solution of this problem. First we have to write s of x equal to f of 9 minus f of x. Now we have to differentiate this function again. S dash of x equal to, what is derivative? First we have to differentiate this function f, and next we have to calculate derivative of this square bracket terms. Therefore derivative of f is f dash bracketed term as it is f of x, and into d by dx of 9 minus f of x. Therefore f dash of 9 minus f of x into derivative of 9 is 0. Therefore there is no need to write this derivative, and value of f of x is f dash of x, and here minus sign is here. Therefore we have to write here answer as minus f dash of x, minus f dash of x, because minus sign does not cancel. Therefore this is formula for s dash of x. We have to write here as minus f of 9 minus f of x, here f dash of x, f dash. Now f dash of 9 minus f of x into f dash of x. This is formula for s dash of x. Now we have to calculate the value of s dash of 4. Therefore s dash of 4 is equal to minus f dash of 9 minus f of 4 into f dash of 4. When we replace x by 4. Therefore by using table, value of f of 4 is, value of f of 4 is 3. Therefore we get into f dash of 9 minus f of 4 is, f of 4 is 3, minus into f dash of 4, value of f dash of 4 is 5, f dash of 4 is 5. Therefore we get here as 9 minus 3 is 6, f dash of 6 into 5, and value of f dash of 6 is, in fourth column we have to see here f dash of 6, last value is minus 4. Therefore we get minus of minus 4 into 5. Minus minus plus, therefore 5 to 4 is 20, Therefore, value of S dash of 4 is 20. This is solution of third example in fourth type. Now, last example in fourth type is if S of x equal to g of x, we want to find S dash of 6. Therefore, in similar manner, we have to write here S of x as g of x. Now, what is derivative of S of x? Derivative of S of x is we have to first differentiate the g function. We get g dash of g of x as it is, and then derivative of bracketed square bracketed term. Therefore, here we get g dash of g of x. Derivative of g of x is g of x. This formula for S dash of x. Now, when we substitute x equal to 6, we get required value for S dash of 6 as we have to replace x by 6 in this formula. Therefore, we get g dash of g of 6 into g dash of 6. Now, what is value of g of 6? Value of to calculate value of g of 6, we have to see in third column value of g of 6. Replace x by 6 as. Therefore, we get value of g of 6 as 2. Therefore, we get g of 2. Value of g of 6 is 2. And value of g dash of 6. G dash of 6 is 7. Now, here value of g dash of 2. Again, we calculate this value. G dash of 2 as 4. Therefore, we get 4 into 7. And 4 into 7 is 28. This is value of S dash of 6. Solution for last example in fourth type. Now, here fifth example in exercise 1.1 is assume that f dash of 3 equal to -1, g dash of 2 equal to 5, g of 2 equal to 3. This is given values, and function is y equal to f of g of x, and we have to calculate dy by dx at x equal to 2. Now we will see the solution for this example. First, we have to write here given information is f dash of 3 equal to -1, g dash of 2 equal to 5, and g of 2 equal to 3. Now here, what is formula for function? Y equal to f of g of x. Now we want to calculate derivative of this formula. First, we want to calculate derivative of this formula. Therefore, value of derivative is formula for we have to differentiate this formula. We get dy by dx as we have to first differentiate f function. Value of f is f dash. Therefore, we get f dash of g of x into d by dx of g of x. We have to use formula for composite function. Therefore, we get f dash of g of x as it is first term. Derivative of g of x is g dash of x. This is formula for dy by dx. Now, which value we want to calculate? We want to calculate value of dy by dx at x equal to 2. Therefore, dy by dx when x equal to 2 equal to f dash of, we have to replace x by 2 in this formula. Therefore, we get g of 2 and into g dash of 2. Now, here in given value, here is value of g of 2. Value of g of 2 is 3 and value of g dash of 2 is also given. Therefore, we get f dash of value of g of 2 is 3 and value of g dash of 2 is 5, because reason for this changes will be given. Nextly, we have to calculate value of f dash of 3. This is also given. F dash of 3 is -1 into 5. -1 into 5 is -5. Therefore, required value of dy by dx at x equal to 2 is -5. This is our solution of fifth example.